Dave. Dave. Dave.
Every year in Britain, hundreds of children die. They die from alcohol, they die from drug abuse, and they die from violence. This is Dwayne. He is 16 and drinks a bottle of vodka every day. This is Chantel, and she's been in and out of jail all her life because of her violent upbringing. This is Gaz. He is 13, and he's been addicted to heroin since he was 6. All of these children will be dead within a year. Hundreds dead each year is not acceptable. There needs to be a lot more. And we at the National Society for the Prevention of Chavs is doing everything in our power to increase this number. And you can too! For £2 a week you can buy enough knives for 20 chavs. For £10 a week you can buy enough white lightning to cause permanent liver damage. And for £250 a week you can fuel a child's coke addiction indefinitely. With your help, we can change the welfare of thousands of British chavs. The NSPC. Together, we can make Britain a better place.
Excuse me, mate, have you got any change?
Oh, no, sorry.
Hello Rupert. How are you?
Lawrence, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good.
Yes, yes.
Good.
Marvellous. Drinking some water there, I see.
Yeah, just having a break after Dr.
Nice.
K's.
After his lecture, yeah, bored me to tears, that lecture. I don't know how you found it.
After the bit about the kleptomaniac cashier, I fell asleep.
You fell asleep, did you? Yes. Do you often fall asleep, you know, when you shouldn't do?
Well, no, just at night time when I'm tired.
Yes, of course, yes. Yeah, you only fall asleep when tired.
I actually slept very well. I'm staying at my mother's. She lives rather close by.
Oh, really? Yeah, your mother's house. Do you get on well with your mother? Do you?
Yep. Yeah, very, very well.
Good.
Thank you.
It's healthy, isn't it?
Yes.
Getting on well with your mother. How's your wife these days? Is she
yeah,
well?
Martha's really well, thank you.
Yeah.
She's away a lot, which is why I'm living at my mother's, because she loves her new work, but it does take her away from us, which is a shame. But she loves it, so.
Yes. So you find yourself spending more time with your mother than your wife. Do you?
Well, at the moment.
Is that healthy? Is that, you know, Oedipus?
Well, I don't think Oedipus really comes into it.
Well, you know, he liked things, didn't he?
Yes.
And your son? How's your son?
Yeah, we just celebrated his second birthday.
Second birthday. Ooh, yeah, terrible tools.
Yeah.
They're quite violent at that age, can't they?
They can.
Mm. Yeah. Almost too violent. Especially if their parents have been through the same thing. Can be very violent, can't they?
Well, they can. Luckily I was a model child.
Were you?
Yeah, very well behaved.
Well behaved. Well
Perfectly.
Behaved. Yes. Yes. Too scared of being punished, no doubt.
No.
Did you have a nice childhood then? How was your relationship? How was your relationship with your father then?
It was great, but I'd rather not really talk about it. I'll be honest with you.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that? Did you have an overbearing father? Did you?
No, not at all.
Not really?
Not really comfortable with talking about it.
Children can have such interesting childhoods, can't they? Such pick up quite interesting behavioural disorders, you know, psychosexual stages of development. Things can
Yes, indeed.
can happen.
For example, wearing women's clothes to work.
Would be one example of
One rather good example.
that. Yes.
Of that,
There are any others, of course. With childhood, fathers, people. Anyway, jolly nice to chat with you and things. I'll yes. Good day.
Stay alert.
So, you have caused us much inconvenience.
I try my best.
But don't worry, we know how to deal with you.
I'm not afraid of death, you know.
No? No. But you are afraid of interpretive dance!
Oh God! Oh! Oh God! Oh God! Get him away! I'll tell you anything!
She used to do fencing.
Oh,
Which is
yeah.
quite good. Yeah.
Oh no, my mate does fencing.
Really?
Yeah, but he used to practice in the park, and he actually got into quite a bit of trouble with the police.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know.
Is that because he was causing offence?
You think you're funny, do you? Yeah? Now you're funny. An age-long beer making tradition, and after months of the fermentation process, we get this, and I can really say, it's worth the wait. This is David Marks reporting from the kitchen of Doreen. Sorry, Doreen. Sorry, we'll do another one of those, okay. So after the fermentation process is complete, we get this. And I can really say, it's worth the wait. This is David Marks reporting from the kitchen of... Oh yeah, I've done it again. Sorry, I've done it again. Doreen. Sorry, okay, we'll go again. After months of fermentation, the process is complete, and we're left with this. And I can really say, it's lovely. This is David Marks reporting from the kitchen of Daisy of what is it? Doreen.